Video lectures, an ISR initiative by Shivanand Sharma Memorial RV College. SSMRV College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, has come up with a unique initiative to engage students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. Learning outcome. Student will be able to explain write command, message command, all command, finger command, and sending and receiving mail. Unix system communication. Write command used by any user to write something on someone else's terminal if the recipient of the message allows communication, and also used to send or block from user. Syntax of write command: write username terminal name. Username is just the login name of the user is on the same server. If suppose user is on another server, then username is given in the form of username at server name. Terminal name is optional, used when the recipient has logged in more than one terminal. It sends a message directly to the user specified. Consider an example to send a message to other terminal. $write followed by a login name. Type a message. To end the write session, hit Ctrl plus D. One thing we have to remember that for using write command, the recipient must have logged in, else an error message is flashed on the screen. The recipient must have given permission for messages to reach his terminal. The permission can be set by using message command. Output of write command. Use to terminal name 10, terminal name 27. Make use of write command to send a message. Write username SSMRV, terminal name 10. Type the message. Same message appeared on the terminal 10 from the terminal 27. Message command. This command helps us to send or block messages from other terminal. Syntax message Y or N. Y stands for allowing messages to appear on the screen. N stands for preventing the messages from other to display on the screen. Output of message command. We are having two terminals. Terminal file name 10 and terminal file name 27. Now write a message on the terminal 10 by using write command. By using write command, write username and terminal. Quality is not an act, it is a habit. So that is my message to send to other terminal. Now on the terminal 27, you can see the pop-up message from terminal 10, that is message from SSMRV at Ubuntu on terminal, followed by a timing also, and message also appeared on the terminal 27. Now terminal 27 blocks the message from the terminal 10, so that use the command $message n. Now again, so you want to test whether it is blocking message or no, write username and terminal. So you can get the pop-up that you have write permission turned on. Same message is appeared on the terminal 10 also. That is, SSMRV has messages disabled on terminal 27. Wall command. Syntax is wall message. Wall command sends a message to everyone's terminal. This can be used only by superuser. Superuser enables and sends message to all the user whether they have logged in or not. When used this command, the message should be terminated by Ctrl+D. Output of wall command. Here two terminals, terminal file 8 and terminal file name 29. Use the wall command on the terminal file number 8. There is a staff meeting at the 11 a.m. There is a broadcast message from SSMRV, that is username, day, date and time also appeared, and message should be terminated by Ctrl D so that a message will appear on the terminal 29. Finger command syntax finger-i displays the information about the system user, tells us which users are connected and which users can receive messages, displays in a list that who have logged in. It also places asterisk symbol. Those who have set the message to N. Output of finger I command. These two users have set their message N, hence no other user can send message. There is one more command called who-t, which is similar to finger command. Which works similar to finger command, displays the list of users who log in. There is a plus and minus sign which appear on the screen, which indicates whether a user can receive messages or not. Sending and handling mails. Command that allow us to read or send email. It can be used quickly to circulate memos and other written information. Also send and receive mails from people outside the organization if they are using network computers. It can also send messages to people who haven't logged in currently. Syntax is mail option user1, user2 and so on. Sending mails using mail command is very simple. Example, we can write a command $mail and username, write a subject and terminate the messages by using Ctrl+D. To receive a mail, write a command $mail. You can check the stored messages in a mailbox, use mail. Some of the commands that can be used at the mail prompt. Option enter key to display the current mail. N displays the mail numbered N. D deletes the current mail. DN deletes the mail numbered N. W file name saves the mail content. R reply to the current mail. RN forwards the mail to the specified user. Q quits the mail. Minus sign prints the mail plus prints the next message.